Generative AI is changing everything from how we work to how we learn and even how we create art and code. But what exactly is generative artificial intelligence, and why is everyone suddenly talking about it in 2025? Stay tuned, because in this video you're going to understand it all, in simple terms. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can create content, like text, images, videos, music, and even software code, from scratch. It's not just about understanding, it's about producing. Popular generative AI tools include ChatGPT for generating text, ideas, articles, DALL or Mid-Journey for AI-generated images, Runway ML for editing or creating videos, Synthesia for generating AI avatars and voice videos. These tools use large language models, LLMs, and deep learning to mimic human creativity. Generative AI is powered by neural networks, especially transformer models like GPT. These systems are trained on massive data sets, books, articles, images, videos. They learn patterns in language or visuals and then generate new content that mimics those patterns. For example, you type, "Write a funny story about a robot chef." The AI generates a full, unique story that's never existed before. Business. Write emails, generate blog posts, design logos, creatives produce music, illustrations, and animations. YouTubers generate faceless videos using tools like InVideo or Pictory. Education. Summarize long documents, answer questions. Developers. Build code snippets with tools like GitHub Copilot. Misinformation. AI can generate fake news if misused. Deepfakes. Video and audio manipulation tools can fool viewers. Plagiarism. Over-reliance on AI can lead to repetitive or unoriginal content. That's why it's important to use AI as a helper, not a replacement. So that's generative AI, a game-changing technology that's reshaping industries and creative work in 2025. Try it yourself. Explore tools like ChatGPT, DALL, and InVideo to see the future of creation in action. Like this video? Subscribe to AI Insight Hub and hit the bell icon for more tutorials, tools, and trending AI news.